Don't ask for chrysanthemums now that you embrace the invisible. The roses fade the loneliness. Boredom is pierced by thorns. When the day is tinged with the night, the countryside assists to the cruelest events. How many moths go pacify the air, while the brightest star suddenly grinds the teeth. I figure when you were looking for the nourished pulp of the void, and you lived on boulders and negations, when borage in a pool of water was rotting while coughing in exhaustion. I look at your strong roots that rise in whirlpools of air, embrace the twisted forbidden bodies and the periwinkles, fixed, watching astonished the interrupted cycles. Fight the lost eyes and the gaunt ivory shoulders with the deepest knowledge. If you talk of yourself, you confess the grief of days abjured to joy. Nothing smells of grey, but illuminates yearnings of escape. When severe, you make the choice of land.
Il nulla odora di grigio, ma illumina aneliti di fuga, quando severa compi la scelta della terra. Lorenzo Spurio.